In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table in Microsoft Loop with ease and confidence. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Microsoft Loop, this simple process will help you manage your data effectively, and it's going to take only a few minutes. Let's get started. First, we'll open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Loop. This should bring you to the Microsoft Loop homepage, the central hub for all your content collaboration needs. It's here that Microsoft has designed an incredibly intuitive space for creating, sharing, and managing content with others. If you haven't already, sign in using your Microsoft account. It's essential to be logged in to access your documents and collaborate efficiently with your team. Once you're on your Microsoft Loop page, the next step is to identify the table you want to copy. This could be a table containing anything from project data to a list of tasks or even important meeting notes. Tables are a powerful way to organize information, making it crucial to know how to manipulate them effectively. Click and drag your cursor to select the entire table. It's important to make sure that you highlight every part of the table, capturing all the data and formatting. Now that you have your table selected, you'll need to copy it. You can do this by pressing the Ctrl and C keys on your keyboard simultaneously. This is the shortcut for copying any selected text or objects, and it's a quick way to get the table onto your clipboard. Alternatively, you can right-click on the highlighted table and choose the Copy option from the context menu that appears. If you're a mouse user, this method might feel more intuitive. With the table now copied to your clipboard, choose the destination where you want to paste it. This spot could be within another Microsoft Loop page, or even in a completely separate application like Microsoft Word, a Teams chat, or an Outlook mail message. Navigate to your desired location, ensuring you select the exact spot where you wish the table to appear. Finally, it's time to paste the table. Press Ctrl and V together from your keyboard, which pastes the contents of the clipboard into your chosen location. Alternatively, right-click at the point where you want to insert the table and select Paste from the drop-down menu. This simple action will place your table exactly where you need it, retaining its original structure and data. And there you have it. You've successfully copied and pasted a table in Microsoft Loop. It's a straightforward process once you get the hang of it, and it's an invaluable skill for managing your data across different platforms. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in your daily workflow.